Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen. This will bring down all the toggles, and then we're going to swipe down right here. This will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing names and showing you more of them. Now, power saving mode is, I believe, added by default. As you can see, it's visible for me right over here. But if you don't see it in this list, you might need to add it. And you can do so by clicking right here on this pencil, edit, and then finding the toggle somewhere here, holding it. As you can see, I can now drag it and drag it over to the top right here, drop it. Click on down here and here and here, there we go. And now you can see that the toggle is visible right here. So anyway, find again the power saving mode and you can tap on it. As you can see, this enables it. You can also see a little leaf icon inside of the battery to indicate that it is right now running. And additionally, if we hold it, this should take us to the settings. Yep, there we go. I'm going to turn it off for the moment. And you can see there, these are the options that will take effect when you enable your power saving mode. So CPU speed will be limited to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, set motion smoothness to standard, turn on dark mode, and set screen timeout to 30 seconds. There's also limit apps on the home screen, which is turned off. So you can turn all of these off if you want to, but the more of them you have turned on when you enable power saving mode, the more battery saver will be effective, let's call it this way. So as you've seen, you can turn it on and off by tapping on the toggle here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.